Hello guys, hello my good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by Frank_G. Welcome back, family members. Welcome back again. Today it is a nice morning. You see, in African ways, see how sunrise appears, guys. See, it's a nice morning wherever you are. Let me say first hi for those people from far end who are watching this video from. Hello guys, today I want to show you something that I had wake up early in the morning to visit in my farm, in our father's farm, so that you can see how African are being planting their things. Today I want to show you how our maize are being, the maize that I planted. You see, this is our farm of maize. You see the way it has done. See guys, see, yeah, I planted this maize like 8 months ago. Yeah, something like 8 to 7 months ago. Till now, you see they're good. They are doing good. Things are good. I am planning, like, even if it is to harvest, I can harvest like, I think something like even 10 bags, 10 sacks of bags are not bad, because I don't have a family that I'm feeding off. It's for only for selling things. Yeah, something like that one. Today, let me show you another thing that we plant here in Africa. You see this plant, this one is called tobacco. Here, as we plant many plants that we are planting, for us to get something at the end, something at when we can take it to the market, we can get a market, a good market of it. These are tobacco. These are our father's farm. You see the way it is. It's a big farm. See, it go around like that. Yeah, guys, it has been a long time since I had not uploaded any video, but to this time that I am being here, I will make sure at least I will be posting video. At least on a day I can post 2 videos. Yeah, I think 2 videos are not bad. 3 videos are not bad. I will struggle to make it, so that at the end of the day I can have a post of a video. Here I had visited this farm to see how it is going, how it is doing. You see the way it is appear. Yeah guys, please, for those who are new in my channel, please guys, subscribe, comment, share the link, and don't forget please to put that subscribe link there. Subscribe to my channel please guys. Subscribe, support. I need your support guys for everything, you know. Without a support, we cannot manage to do anything guys. We cannot manage to make, we cannot manage to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I depend on you guys. I depend on you, my family members, for you to do for me the favor, please. Even me, I want you to do for me a favor. At least I can reach the 1,000 plus subscribers guys. Yeah, you see how this our farm looks like. We have trees. You see guys, these are trees. Wow. It has been a long time since I had not come to visit this farm here. You see our small forest here. You see guys, this is our small forest. We plant trees here. We plant trees here guys. You see, this is an African way. Wow, it looks nice. Our climate looks amazing. Yeah, guys, so please comment there, subscribe, share my link, guys. My YouTube to my you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, then I will say thank you, guys. Yeah, it's only God. Without God, guys, we cannot manage to do this thing, guys. See how African, you see, he's an African, he's in Kenya. See, guys, see. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and don't forget, guys, I need your support as a family. I need your support as my as me, as your brothers. I need your support, guys. Without a support, I cannot manage, guys. Without a support, I cannot make it. I will not make it. I mean, on that, guys. Subscribe. I need your support, guys. Here in our village, you see, things are good, things are wonderful. It is, see how things appear. See, it is a morning, it is morning time, but you see how things appear, guys. You see, yeah, guys, you see, guys, I go by Frank_G. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment and like to my channel, guys. Today I had decided to take for a short, let me call it like a short nature walk in this morning. Yeah, it's like a short nature walk for showing you how things are, how things appear in our village, how things are doing on in our village, how things are good in our village. You see, it looks more amazing. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel, comment to my channel, then share, and don't forget all about is to make for our video to go viral, guys. I need your support, guys. Yeah, this forest, it has been too long time since I had been here. Even being like, I'm wondering, yeah, since like it has been like 7 years when we were here. These trees were so small, I think. Yeah, it was small, so small, but on this time I see, even we can make a, we can have a building, we can make a timber, we can cut these trees to make the building. Yeah, guys, please, today I decided to show you how things are in our farm. See, it is a big farm. See, those are trees, guys. I think you're seeing it clear. Yeah, guys, those ones are trees. Even I show you all about the maize that we plant here. I had like a small portion of maize up there. I plant maize up there. You see, those ones are maize that we planted that up there, and these ones are tobacco. Have you ever come across to see a tobacco? These are tobacco which is going to make a cigarette for smoking. Yeah, people smoke cigarettes. The cigarettes come from this plant. This one. Yeah, tobacco. We plant tobacco. We plant sweet potato. We plant maize. Guys, you see in African way, the way it appear, you see it's clear. Today the climate is good. Let's thank God. Today the climate is so good in our village here. The climate looks amazing for like to take a video. It's good, guys. So let's have a small nature walk. Yes, guys, as we are going on with our small nature walk that I told you at the past, so we are continuing. See how our village life look like. Let me tell you, guys, the village life is so good, guys. You see the way it's appear, you see the way it look like, guys. You see, yeah. I tell you at the first that the village life is so good, guys. It look like this. Wow, it look amazing, guys. Yeah. So, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share the link. Don't forget to comment on my channel, guys. You see how our village looks like. You see, guys, so wonderful, guys. It looks amazing, guys. Yeah, it's how our village looks, guys. Yeah, it looks amazing. Wow, you see, it looks amazing, guys. Yes. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Comment, share, guys, for I need your support, guys, to make this thing goes viral, guys. Without your support, guys, oh, I cannot manage, guys. Yeah, you see how people plant maize, the way it appear, guys. Those are maize. In African, we like planting, taking ugali that is made of maize. Let me show you even the cassava that is used to cook the brown ugali, the plants that is used to cook the brown ugali, guys. You see, this is a cassava plant. This one is a cassava plant that is, when it's come big, when it's come up, it is to cook a brown ugali. So see how it appear, see how it look like. This is a cassava. Yeah, these ones are young, so it will take like, I think it's taking 7 or the others. There is a variety that is taking 2 years, others are taking even 7 months, others are taking like even 6. So it depends for the variety that some people are planting of that cassava, guys. Please subscribe, support. I need your support, guys, to my channel, guys, so that me too I can make it for me. Wow. Wow, this place looks amazing. You see, this place looks amazing, guys. You see the way it's appear. It look amazing for coming and take a rest here. Yeah, during daytime or evening hours you can come take a rest here. Nobody can disturb you, guys. Wow. Yeah, you see the way it's up here. You see, this is at our village. The village life looks like this now. When we wake up early in the morning, we go to the farm to have kupalilia those land, to put on at least plants that we're going to take on it to market, guys. Please subscribe, guys. I need your support. Without your support, guys, I cannot make it. I cannot manage to make it. That's why I'm really begging you guys, requesting you guys for subscribing to my channel, guys. Hey, what? I want to go up there. Let me try it. That big stone. Yeah. I want to go up here. Okay. Hi, people. Hi. Yeah, I reached the place that I want to climb this stone up here to show you to show you how a village looks like. You see, to show you how we are proud of as African. You see, to show you how our African life looks like, our African climates look like, our village life look like that, guys. So, guys, thank you for having your time, for watching this video. Thank you, guys. I say thank you for taking your humble time to watch this video, guys. I appreciate on that. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me take it back again. Subscribe to my channel. I go by Frank_G. Please subscribe, comment, yeah, and like it, guys. Thank you, guys.